Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is just so tiring. I don't know because you guys have already read by the title. It is the grocery haul that I'm doing, and I'm doing it for the first time. So I don't know how to start this and what to do, but yeah, I'll just show you guys the stuff that I brought yesterday. I mean, you guys can already see the mess over here. And like, if you all want a quick glimpse, I'll just give you that right now. Just look at that. I mean, so this is the stuff, and I'll tell you everything in. Oh shit. So this is all the stuff, and I'll show you guys and tell you everything in detail. You guys have to go there. What the hell? Wait, let me just fix this up. Start on a sweet note. So first thing that I brought was these dipped Oreos, which is, I mean, who? If you don't like these, like, anyways. Then I got. Let's categorize everything, and I'll just show you guys all the snacks first, and then I'll show you guys the dessert. That should be cool. So for snacks, I got these chips. These are Lays cards, cinnamon flavor. I've got these. Then I've got Cornitos. So yeah, this is the cheese and herbs Cornitos. So I have a backstory for this. Like, should I tell it? The video would be too long now. Anyways, I'll tell you guys. So what happened was I hated nachos. Like, at a point, I really did not like nachos or stuff like this. But then I went to one Didi's house, and like, she invited us over for dinner, and then she served us all this nachos for snacks. And then I had these, and then I was like, okay, yeah, these are pretty cool. I always used to think, मैंने पहले Doritos खाए थे, and then I didn't like them. So I always used to think कि ये भी ऐसे होंगे, then stuff like that. Whatever. Next, I have these little hearts, which I brought after so long. Next again, I need to show you snacks, right? Then I have this special Maggie, this one. I have a top ramen ka packet, now I have two actually. Then we have some biscuits, this is Monaco. Then, what do I show you? I have some toast over here. I just want to wrap up this video really quickly because it's going to be too long, I know. Yeah, I found the third packet of dipped Oreos, so who cares? Then I have these Britannia ka croissant, which I love, and this is amazing. Then we have Britannia ke two muffins. One is the chocolate filled and one is the strawberry filled muffin. So we have that. We have Britannia ka normal chocolate cake. Oh wait, why did I get into desserts? I'm so absent-minded. I'm so sorry, but yeah, you guys have to see it. Now I'm not going to change. So this is the Britannia ka chocolate cake. And then we have these chocolate wafers, which I love again. And we have two of these. So here's that. Then we have another packet of these croissant rolls. I'm already tired. Okay, up next we have, what is this? Cashew nuts. And then we have this namkeen. This is Bikaneri Sevni, bolte wo. Like all of this, we got all this stuff from there's this supermarket here near my house, Raj Mandir Hypermarket is ka naam, and you literally get everything there. Cheese, like cheddar cheese, Gouda cheese, cream cheese, what not. Even I wanted to get tortilla wraps, but then I just bill ho gaya tha, uske baad I saw those stuff. Then for home stuff, I have this methi dana. This is for my mom, sorry. Now comes the boring part, okay. Then we have again another packet of cashew nut. We have some dal. This is organic arhar dal. We have oil. We have this namkeen again. We have this thing, lychee dana. I guess this is for prasad, so lychee dana. Then we have this. This is my stuff. I have this cheesy nacho dip, which I've never tried, so I'm excited to try this. If I try this someday in my vlogs, I'll include this. So we have that. Then we have Epigamia ke yogurts, which I love. Like, oh my god, I've been craving for these for so long. So I am so excited to try these. Like, कल से इन पे मैंने नज़र रखी हुई थी when to have, but I'm gonna have it right now. So this one's mango, and this one's oh no, this one's natural. I thought it's blueberry. This one's natural yogurt and this one's mango. Shit, I thought it was blueberry. But anyways, then we have Hershey's ka cookies and cream milkshake for me. I've got pizza seasoning, some soya chunks, then masala peanuts from Haldiram's. I'm just gonna keep this all aside. One thing that I'm... Wait, did I show you all that? No, right? What the... Where did I go? Yeah, so one thing that I'm really excited for is this kimchi ramen. Like, kimchi ramen. Like, I have tried these before. Like, I've had that Shin Ramyeon. That is this one. I've had this, but kabhi I didn't know how to cook it. In pe hamesha likha rehta hai 3 cups of water, which is just too soupy, and I don't like soupy noodles. So let me know which kind of noodles do you all like soupy or dry. I like dry noodles. It depends on the mood. Maggi pe to kuch bhi chalega mera. Then we have this sambar powder in Tiara. We have some washing liquid utensils ke liye. We have another namkeen almond. Let me just dig into this yogurt first. This tastes amazing. I should put the spoon down now. Up next we have some tomato ketchup. Then we have jeera, and then we have these cookies, sugar cocoa crackers, which I tried recently, but it was some other company. It was a purple packet. Let me know if you guys have had these or not, but I'm gonna take one right now. Yeah, these are the same ones, but I guess those were better. So it's literally nothing. It's just these biscuits coated with chocolate, and you get, like, I don't know the price. It's how many are these? Let me just tell you the price. These are for 60 rupees, and I guess you have 10 crackers. I don't know. These are like that yam thing that we have na bachpan mein. Breadsticks ko chocolate milk karke. It's, oh my god, it's so good. It's exactly like that. I would definitely recommend you all this. Jerry company ka sugar cocoa crackers. Definitely find this one. Up next we have some brown sugar. Then we have moong dal. Keep aside, this is not my stuff. We have some peri peri masala. Again, I love peri peri. We have some popcorn. Then we have again that chocolate muffin. Then we have organic masoor dal. The video is already 12 minutes long. What are you guys talking about? Another topping. Some tea. Then these are the Bikano ka mini samosas. I've never tried these, so I'll try this also in front of camera. Y'all, I love this biscuit. Let's just try. Iske andar nariyal hai, which I don't like, so I don't think I'm gonna like it. This is good. Not the film. It's quite good. Up next we have this hair color, which is light golden brown, which I'm gonna use it for. Then we have some green tea. We have some raisin, pink salt, Maggi pasta, macaroni one. And then we again have some biscuits, like 2 biscuits, chaat masala. And then I'll show you all the skincare that we got. For skincare, we have Mamaearth ka rose toner, apple cider vinegar shampoo, apple cider vinegar conditioner. And then we have again Mamaearth ka ultra light sunscreen. So this is not sponsored. The video is not sponsored, but the employees over there were continuously suggesting us to buy Mamaearth products. So I guess they were sponsored. But anyways, that's that. And we have some popcorn and chaat masala. Now I'll get to the stuff which I'm excited for. Let me just get that. Now y'all, my favorite part, blue Gatorade. Yay, I'm so happy and excited for this blue Gatorade. Wow. And then we have this ITC Master Chef के French fries. French fries are my favorite. Like इसके लिए तो मैं वो पेरी पेरी मसाला उठा के लाई थी. Anyways, then next we have again ITC Master Chef के दही के kebab, which I've never tried, so I'm excited to try this as well. And yeah, this is it. This was my little grocery haul, which is 18 minutes long already, but I'm going to cut it up anyways. This was it, and things that I recommend you all to buy is this yogurt for sure. This is amazing. And then these crackers, sugar cocoa crackers. Boom. Let me just try the blue Gatorade on camera first.
Yeah.
Juice. I'm so excited. I have never tried this before. I don't know how's it gonna be. Wait, this is good. This tastes like some kind of cold drink, but I've had this before. I guess I have had this before. This taste is very known to me. This is good, and it's just for 50 rupees. I mean, it's not that costly. I really like this. I'm gonna definitely buy this again. Recommend you all this. Also, we have this Szechuan gravy. This is Viva Ka Szechuan gravy. This is like a ready-made gravy. You just have to toss in vegetables and whatever you want to make. No need to add extra sauce and stuff. And वहाँ पे there was kung pao gravy, black bean gravy, Szechuan gravy, Manchurian gravy. ऐसे सब Viva के bottles थे. So in case you guys live here, you can buy these. Now comes my favorite stuff. So my favorite stuff is blue Gatorade for sure. Yogurt I already love. These crackers, you guys have to try. I don't know कहीं से भी order करो, but you guys have to try these crackers. These are just amazing. These are chocolate coated like this. Amazing. So you guys have to try Gatorade, yogurt, those crackers, and then बाकी सब तो normally चीजें हैं. Basically had no idea what to shoot, so here it is, मौके पे चौका मारते हुए. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments section below if you've tried any of these or any of these items is your favorite. And in my future vlogs, I'll surely try this ramen, those dahi ke kebabs, and then what else do I have to try? That is it, I guess. That is it for the video. I really hope you liked it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you guys. Bye.